Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by changing physiology. That changes feeling. First, breathe on a 4-4-6 pattern for 5 minutes to lower arousal. Once done, drink 250-500 ml of water. Dehydration amplifies irritability. Then move for 5-10 minutes, brisk walk or dynamic stretches to shift brain chemistry and interrupt rumination. Make sure to check posture and loosen shoulders as you go. These quick steps reset your system and create momentum, so you can apply deeper strategies next. You now build reliable structure. Create 90-minute focus blocks followed by 20-minute recovery to balance work and rest. This stabilizes stress hormones and prevents overwhelm. Add one deliberate mood-boosting activity daily, call a friend, do 20 minutes creative work, or spend time outside, because variety strengthens resilience. Make sure to log sleep, caffeine, and screen time for 3 days. Patterns reveal triggers. Once these routines are in place, your baseline mood becomes more predictable and easier to improve. You complete the cycle by maintaining gains and preparing fixes. Do a weekly review, tweak routines, set small goals, and confirm support so progress compounds. If low mood persists for more than 2 weeks despite efforts, escalate promptly, talk to a trusted friend, coach, or clinician, because timely help prevents worsening. If a setback happens, use a quick reset, 4-4-6 breath, 5-minute walk, and a short gratitude list to interrupt negative loops. This keeps recovery active and adaptable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.